Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Peach and Berry perfume from Nuana House of Luxury. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. So let's start off with the packaging first. It comes in this box, which is matte black and rose gold in color with all the details mentioned here. And then you have some things about the brand, which I'll come to this part. And then you have several details like manufacturing, pricing, and all of that. This is a very simple cardboard box, nothing fancy here. And inside you have this tin box which is recyclable in nature. And you can definitely use this one to store stationery or the perfume itself. Has this nice Nuana label to it and a very basic box, but something that you can kind of reuse to store stationery and stuff. So I really like that part. And then we come to the main bottle. This is a thick glass bottle with again a matte black sticker and rose gold details, a textured rim here which kind of like enhances the bottle's beauty, and then a textured cap. Overall looks very basic, very minimal, and yet pretty. And that's exactly what this brand is also all about. Nuana, which is, this word is derived from Sanskrit, which is a new plus nirvana, and they believe in producing minimal and clean fragrances. Their perfumes are free of harmful chemicals and their ingredients are skin friendly. They are free of phthalates, parabens, artificial colorants, and artificial dyes. And despite all of these baddies not being there, the performance is not compromised. These work really well in Indian weather, and overall they are also quite inexpensive. So all in all, Nuana House of Luxury, it's a very good Indian perfume brand which is sort of providing you affordable luxury. This fragrance is a 100 ml bottle and the MRP is 2000, but it is currently at 40% off and it's available at 1199 rupees at www.nuanaluxury.com. These products are also available in Amazon. I'm going to leave all the links to the products in the description box, so you can go ahead and look at their website and explore more fragrances, or interested in purchasing this one, the link will be there in the description box. Right, now let's test the sprayer on this one. So the sprayer is really nice and diffuses the product well. Yeah, so this one, let me explain you the vibe of this fragrance first and then I'll explain you the notes breakdown. This is a very soft, romantic, juicy, fruity floral fragrance which has soft florals and warm woodiness to it. It's kind of playful and flirty and something which is very casual and perfect for everyday use. This perfume has a very nice romantic, soft romantic feel to it. Kind of feels like a modern love story in a bottle. Okay, so let's get into the scent pyramid or the notes breakdown on this one. So Peach and Berry, as the name suggests, has a very fruity blast or juicy fruits opening to it. It has lots of berries like strawberry and raspberry, then some peach, pear, orange, tangerine, and the zest of bergamot. So this just gives it a very juicy and a very bright opening. Then it goes into very soft florals of jasmine, peony, datura, and orange blossom. The white florals in here mixing up with some juicy and fruity nuances gives it a perfect fruity floral experience. Then it has white musk, some moss, vanilla, ambroxan, patchouli, cedar wood, and some mossiness. The base notes in here give it a very warm and a very cozy sort of a feel. And overall, this fragrance is juicy fruitiness with soft florals and some warm woodiness. Now, this perfume is just perfect everyday casual kind of a wear, something that I prefer wearing during daytime. Since this is very airy and light, this is something that goes really well in office setups because you don't want to be very offensive with your fragrance, and this is just doing the right things. It's quite balanced, it's quite feminine, it's quite delicate in the way it, and overall I think this is something which is very good everyday basis kind of a fragrance. This is sort of a unisex fragrance, but I definitely find it to be feminine leaning, and it has a very young, modern, very vibrant aura to it. I can definitely see myself wearing this for lunch, brunches, meeting my girlfriends, going out for casual chores, going to office, meeting my friends, all of that kind of casual events. I think this will go really, really well. Let's talk about the performance on this one. Around 6 to 7 sprays on this one gives me around 5 hours of longevity. This projects lightly or has a soft projection throughout the wear. It's not something that creates a very massive scent bubble around me or has a very strong perfume trail. This is something which is soft in nature, and people who have migraines or headaches wearing their fragrances, I think you can go ahead with this one, because this is the kind of fragrance that will not trigger your headache. The sillage on this one is also soft. It's not something that will fill the room, and it's not something that will be very cloying to others. So overall, this is a very office friendly kind of a fragrance. This does have like an inspired feel from YSL Mon Perry, and that is also a very playful, flirty, romantic sort of a fragrance, and definitely this perfume reminds me of YSL Mon Perry. Overall, I find this to be a very feminine, a very delicate, a very gorgeous kind of a fragrance, and especially the soft, musky, vanillic nuance that settles on me. Dry down of this fragrance is something that I find to be very amazing. My overall rating on this one is 8 out of 10. It's a perfect summer wear in my opinion, and also something that you can wear all year around during daytime. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that the review for Peach and Berry from Nuana House of Luxury was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is My Perfume Diaries, and come and say hi and let's get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.